Hello friends, welcome to Perfection IAS Editorial Analysis. In today's editorial analysis, we are going to discuss the topic India's groundwater governance is in better shape. This topic is very important for UPSC mains. It will come under these three of UPSC mains under the topic environment. Okay, so in this video, we are going to discuss some of the important aspects about the topic. First, we will see the context. Recently, World Bank and some of the Indian organizations had released a report related to India's groundwater extraction. So, according to all the report, India's groundwater extraction is declining, and India's aquifer replenishment is also increasing. So, because of that positive improvement only, this topic was in news. First, we will see some of the status of India. India account for nearly 18% of world population. Okay, so India's population is 18% of the total world population, but it occupies only 2.4 percentage. 2.4 percentage of total geographical area. That means the 18 percentage of the people are living in 2.4 percentage of geographical area, and the 18% of the people consumes only 4 percentage of total water resource present in the world. So this is the basic fact about India. Even though our population is very huge, we are utilizing very minimum quantity of water resources. So according to recent study by World Bank, India is largest groundwater user. We are using largest groundwater, but compared to other country, our water consumption level is very minimum. This is because of our rapid economic growth as well as our population growth. Because of these two things only, we are using large amount of water. In the water, groundwater is the backbone of India's agriculture and drinking. For irrigation purpose as well as for drinking and other domestic purpose, we are dependent on groundwater. Okay, so there are many water sources available in India, but we are mainly dependent on groundwater for agriculture and drinking water purposes. In both rural and urban area, meeting nearly 80% of the country drinking water and two-thirds of irrigation water. Okay, so 80% we are depending on groundwater for drinking purpose, and two-thirds of the irrigation need is satisfied by groundwater. So this is the basic fact about the condition of India. Next, we will see some of the government measures. In first slide itself, we have seen our groundwater governance is improving. So the improvement is due to government's various measures. So first, central government is working to achieve sustainable groundwater management in collaboration with states and union territories. Okay, because central government can't able to do groundwater management. So it need help with state government as well as union territory. So currently, central government is working collaboratively with state government and union territories for sustainable groundwater management. So government has recently taken various measures like increasing the network of wells. Okay, so well, the important water storage facility in India, and installing digital water level recorder. So digital water meters also installing in various villages, and monitoring groundwater quality. So to monitor the quality of groundwater, we are installing many station water quality monitoring station, and promote participatory management, means including local people in protection of protection and sustainable management of groundwater and assessing groundwater resource. So these activities led to reduction in groundwater extraction by 70 percentage. Okay, so all these measures lead to decreasing in groundwater extraction by 70 percentage. And one of the important measure taken by India is forming Jal Shakti Ministry in 2019. Government had created exclusive ministry for water management known as the Jal Shakti Ministry. This ministry was created by merging two erstwhile ministries, that is Ministry of Water Resource, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation, and Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. So by clubbing these two ministries, government had created Jal Shakti Ministry. So the main aim of Jal Shakti Ministry is to manage water resource with focus on demand and supply management. Okay, so to control the demand as well as to increase the supply. This is the main motive behind creating a exclusive ministry for water resource management. So the Jal Shakti Abhiyan was going to subsequently transfer Jan Shakti to Jal Shakti. So it is an important keyword. You can use this kind of keyword in your mains answer. So if you use this kind of keyword means it will help you to fetch half or 1 mark extra. Okay. So Jal Shakti to Jan Shakti to Jal Shakti. So Jal Shakti means people power. The main aim of this mission is to turn people power into water power. Okay, through asset creation. Asset creation means creating ponds, constructing wells, and rainwater harvesting, and creating awareness campaign. Okay, so this is the main objective of this mission. Jal Shakti into Jal Shakti into Jal Shakti. So people participation is the main component of this Jal Shakti Abhiyan. The government had adopted various scientific approaches for water, groundwater governance. So the first is government has created a scheme known as Atal Bhujal Yojana. So the main aim of this Atal Bhujal Yojana is participatory groundwater management. Participatory groundwater management means including local people. Okay, so because without the support of local people, it is not possible for government to manage groundwater. So Abhay looks to inculcate behavioral change made possible by incentivizing. So people, those who are using very less water, will be incentivized. So this is the main aim of Atal Bhujal Yojana. Then next thing is national project on aquifer management. So this project is going on, it is in ending stage. Envisage the mapping of subsurface water bearing geological formation. So the main aim is to map the aquifers, means like now we are mapping the rainwater, which area is getting more rainfall, which area is getting less rainfall. Like that, we are mapping the we are creating rainfall map of India. So same like that, through this through national project on aquifer management, government is created as subsurface water mapping. Okay, to help gather authentic data and enable informed decision making. So once we know the status of aquifer, it will be easy for us to take decisions. So because of the government is created mapping of subsurface water bearing subsurface aquifers. The next thing is, through this, around 24 lakhs per kilometer of the country has been mapped from available mappable area of nearly 25 lakhs per kilometer. So, out of 25 lakhs per kilometer area, we have mapped around 24 lakhs per kilometer. So, this is one of the important achievement of the national project on aquifer management. And next thing is, India had also created around 65,025 monitoring station, groundwater monitoring station. It included 7,885 automated station with plan to increase number to 84,000. So currently we have 65,000, but government is planning to increase it to 84,000 with focus on high groundwater extracting industry and urban cluster and groundwater stressing region. Okay, so in this region, where groundwater extracting industry, wherever there is groundwater extracting industry is there, and where near the urban clusters and groundwater stressed region. In this region, government is planning to install a monitoring station. The next thing is, government is also taken samples from fixed location to check the presence of a heavy and trace metal. So to check the quality of water. In this program, government is checking quality as well as quantity. So to check the quality of program and the presence of contaminants and various minerals, various pollutants in the groundwater, government is collecting samples from those regions which had high metal and heavy metal. Okay. Then a software known as India Groundwater Resource Estimation System has been developed to assess the monitoring effort. To help this effort, India has also created Ingress, a software called Ingress. So as a result of this effort, the assessment results show a 3% reduction in number of overexploited groundwater units and a 4% increase in number of safe units compared to 2017. So because of this effort, the groundwater extraction also reduced and the pollutants also reduced in groundwater. The assessment also showed a reduction in annual extraction of about 9.53 billion cubic meters, which is decline of around 3.25 percentage compared to 2017. So compared to 2017, our water extraction level had decreased of around 3.25 percentage. So this is the example of cooperative federalism because already we have seen all these efforts were taken in collaboration by central government, state government, and government of union territory. So this is the best example for cooperative federalism. Around 9.37 BCM of additional groundwater potential was created through artificial water conservation structure. So through this program, government had created new water saving structures like pond, tanks, and other rainwater harvesting structure had created. So it will increase as the groundwater potential of India. The next, need for sustainability. So need for sustainable groundwater management. So why we need to manage groundwater sustainably? So first thing is, as a fast growing economy, India will need adequate green groundwater resource to manage anthropogenic pressure. So as a fast growing economy, we are in heavy demand of water. So industry and population will need water. So to provide water for industries as well as for people, it is essential for us to sustainably manage the groundwater. The next thing is one of the important projects of Jal Shakti mission is to provide safe drinking water to all the safe piped drinking water to all the rural household in 2023. So to make Jal Shakti mission objective real, it is essential for government to sustainably manage groundwater. The next thing is in the context of climate change, as uncertainty will increase with the connection with groundwater resource, effort must be taken to find solutions that are essential for sustainable development. So because of climate change, our groundwater resource will going to face major challenges. So it is essential for us to conserve the groundwater. So this is the major thing about the this topic. If you have any doubts regarding the topic, kindly comment your doubt in comment section. They will address your doubt. Thanks for watching Perfection IAS.